can open it.
It's a birthday present from Grandma and Grandpa Getter.
What is it? What is it? What are those, stickers?
Oh,
Yeah?
stickers! Who's that? What is that?
A poo pony.
Is it Pooh?
Ooh, chicken poo. Who's that one?
You didn't even look at it.
Barney.
You probably don't even know what those are.
Madagascar.
Oh, cool.
Mommy!
Yeah. Who's that one?
What's wrong, Deegan?
Gumby the movie with the toy Gumby.
Gumby.
Finding Nemo.
Wow.
Yay! Nummy, nummy!
Nummy nummy.
That's cool, I guess.
I guess so. Deegan.
Yay! Look, and Wookie. What are those?
Stickers.
What are those? Frogs? What's this one?
What'd you get, Care Bear or something?
4 DVDs.
Wow.
Yes. You don't have to watch the same old freaking
Barney video.
Deegan!
Say thank you, Grandma. Say thank you, Grandma, Grandpa.
Or Grandma and Grandpa.
Timber, say thank you, Grandma, Grandpa.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, lots of cool stuff.
Very much.
That's fun. Very much. What's the matter? What's the matter, Missy?
Squishy poos, huh?
Are you getting ready for your bath? Huh? What you gonna say? What you gonna say? Say it. What you gonna say? You want to say something?
It's not bite. It's a movie.
She thinks it's food. It's a video, honey. They're Care Bears.
It's like Barney, but it's Care Bears.
Mama used to watch Care Bears when she was little.
How long is that thing recording? Open.
I think that's all, honey. It's empty.
That's all.
Say bye-bye.
Movies.
Bye, box.